2-minute primer on the Ship of Theseus. The Ship of Theseus is a thought experiment that asks whether an object that has had all of its parts replaced is still the same object. The experiment is named after mythical Greek ship, Ship of Theseus, repaired so many times that every part of the original ship had been replaced. Here is an example of how the thought experiment might be applied. Imagine that you have a ship called the Ship of Theseus. Over time, the ship begins to deteriorate, and you decide to replace all of the original parts with new ones. Eventually, every single part of the original ship has been replaced. Is the ship still the same ship, or is it a new ship entirely? There are several different ways to approach this thought experiment, and there is no one correct answer. Some people might argue that the ship is still the same ship because it has the same name and the same overall shape and appearance. Others might argue that the ship is not the same because it is made up entirely of new parts and therefore is a completely different object. The Ship of Theseus thought experiment raises philosophical questions about the nature of identity and the concept of continuity. It can be seen as a variation on the problem, which asks whether a ship that has had all of its planks replaced is still the same ship. This thought experiment has been discussed by philosophers for centuries and is still a subject of debate today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more 2-minute primer content.